ขนาดแค่นั้นจะได้เตี้ยโซเมื่อมีผู้ขายมาโซหน่อยเตี้ยสมมุติได้จ้ะ
Welcome everybody on board. That means that tourists just arrived from all around the country and come to Wang Vieng, and they just take the slow boat. So they just go up and downstream by Nam Song River, and everybody enjoy the sunset view from the bank of Nam Song River. It's amazing, right? And fasten your seat belt and do not forget to wear your life jacket before leaving. Have a nice day. Up there is the balloon. If you like to fly balloon, is available in Wang Vieng. Enjoy your holiday in Laos and in Wang Vieng.
มันเอาคำนี่เบิ่งจ่ายคนแก้มเบิ่ง